Hello, my name is Peter, and in this Amherst alarm video tutorial, we are going to show you how to bypass one or multiple zones on your 832 or 1832 keypad. Bypassing is simply temporarily making a zone inactive if it is in fault, so that we can go ahead and arm your system with that zone being in fault. To simply do this, all you have to do is hit the start button and then the number 1 on your keypad. Then you are going to use the arrow keys to scroll through the zones and select which zone. If just one, you can do 2 as well, or you would like bypass. To do this, you will hit the start key and you will notice a B will appear underneath that zone. That would mean the zone is bypassed. This will make the zone inactive, and then from there, until you disarm your system next, it will be bypassed. If you have any further questions regarding bypassing, you can give us a call over here at 716-632-4600.